Welcome to another episode on our channel. We're going to do an unboxing, but I just had to share something with you. I love browsing on the internet for 1/6 scale figures. The only problem is sometimes when you find something, you want to buy it. So you just have to kind of temper yourself down if you go surfing, right? But during the holidays, Sideshow was having a whole ton of sales. And one of the things that caught my eye, which I wasn't going to buy because it's way too much, even with a discount, was a 1/4 scale Grogu. And I wouldn't buy it anyway because it's 1/4 scale. I'm trying to stay away from 1/4 scale. I just want one more, and it's not Grogu. But it was made by Iron Studios, and today it's being offered for $525, no shipping and handling. All right, $525, no shipping and handling. And when you enter Sideshow today, and it's good until mid-February, there's a $25 off coupon on any purchase, $250 or over. Now, Iron Studios makes really good stuff. So, and it's cute. Now, I mean, who wouldn't want Grogu? It's the cutest thing on the face of the planet. But I was curious, since it's there in the primary market, would it be on the secondary market? Of course it would be. So I went to eBay to look for it. And what really surprised me is I found that Sideshow was trying to sell a 1/4 scale Grogu on eBay at $525, free shipping and handling, which means they're willing to sell it on eBay and accept eBay fees, which would run about $71 altogether, which is not a little amount. So they're really desperate to get this off the shelves. But even more interesting, I found someone who's selling it for $350 and $35 shipping and handling, brand new, unopened. So $385 versus $525. Take 25 from 500, you go up from 85 to 100, that's $15. That's 25 and 15 is $40. Add 100, that's $140 less at $385, $140 less on the secondary market than on the primary market from Sideshow. Brand new, unopened figure, $385, $140 less than a $525 original price, list price. I just thought that was interesting, and just again confirms the idea that's been floating in my mind for a long time now, that the market is soft. I do want to keep collecting data at the end of this month, February, to see if the market is still soft this month. And of course, repeat that in March, April, May, June, July, and so forth, just to see. I do know some figures do hold their own, but that is typically because people really want those figures and they're willing to pay any price to get them, right? But in general, it appears that the market is soft. Now, Star Wars figures. You know, I recently became a Star Wars fan 48 years after the first Star Wars movie. So I am way behind on collecting there, and those prices are holding their own unless you're very patient and you look around thoroughly for deals. So I'm going to open something today and see how it looks, but I'm kind of excited about it. So we are back, and I have my trusty X-Acto knife. But one thing I wanted to mention, if you don't already know it, I've said it a few times during episodes that we've had, but if you buy something from Sideshow, for example, they will not cover light art box damage. Now, I always open it from the bottom. We always have our patterns, right? And that's just my pattern. Sometimes I miss things until I see it on camera, but it looks so far. I think, despite the ding on the box, I think I'm okay. So let's see what we have in here. And again, I love what they've done with the, they've made these pretty uniform, the Star Wars figures. And then they have this little kind of design here at the bottom that just covers the top part of the box. That is so cool. Ooh, and they have, and it typically has been in orange and reds and yellows, and that's, I love it. I mean, it's amazing artwork. Again, I'm not against art boxes. I am against prices being so high. So, and I am against storage issues. No tea. I declare this cat. Anyway, no, baby. Come here. Come, say hi. Little Miss Evil. You gonna do me? Oh, you gonna dick me? Yes, you. Okay. No, X-Acto knife. Oh, she's so bad. Okay, off we go. Thank you. Okay, so art box, nice. All right, let's see what we have in here. So we are back, and here is Anakin Skywalker. He comes with these kind of hands. I call them hands on. He has two fisted hands, or not fisted, but gripping hands. And he has one with two fingers out and one that's kind of open. He does come with an arm that you can replace on the right side that will light up. So if you put the in motion lightsaber on, it will show up. Or if you just put the saber one in, the activated one, it'll light up. And it's easy to access. That's a nice thing. So you can turn it off on the arm. He has an extra hilt, so he can just be holding this instead. He's got a detonator bomb, and then this little piece. I'm not sure. Maybe it's just a portion of another bomb. I have no idea. But those are cool looking. He's got two shoulder guards available. He's got one with a design on his outfit, and the other one is blank. And so you have the one with the design on it and one that's blank. So if you want two designs on each side, you can do that. They Velcro on and off easily. If you want two blank ones, that can happen as well. He has this thing that does come off, and you can replace it with the robe. Put his head through that. He has holograms. So projector, and then you could put like Obi-Wan Kenobi in it. There's Ahsoka and Yoda. That's cool. Batteries, of course, that went into the arm to light up. And then he has this poncho, which is cool. So I am going to figure out what hands to use and how to pose him. And then we'll put him on a turn tray so you can see him better. We'll be right back. We are back, and The two-fingered look can only go on the right hand. So if you really want to have the light up effect, you can never use, I can't say never. I think you can take that hand off. But you can't use the two-fingered look and the lighted up effect at the same time, because there's no option for the left hand to be lit up. So, you know, I'm putting the hilt in the left hand. I don't know. I don't think he was left-handed, but just for effect, I would put it in there myself. Two fingers and the hilt. I may pose them with this thing in, even though it doesn't light up on this side. Still may pose them this way. I don't know yet. But anyway, I do like the two-finger look. The neat thing about the robe is that it's wired, so you can shape it like it's blowing in the wind. And when we do the turnaround, you can see I tried to create that effect. Actually the ends of the jacket, or not the jacket, but the inner piece of clothing that he's wearing, the blue piece, has wire in it too, so that can kind of coordinate with the wind-blown look of the poncho. So I think he's rather good looking. Evil, but good looking. So we'll pause now and put him on a turn tray so you can see him from different directions. I really like that two-finger look, which means that the hilt has to go, if you want to use it, in the other hand. But the windblown look is so neat too, and the wiring allows you to achieve that. So let's go around and see how this works. Could probably be more wrinkled in the back, but he's going to be posed more like this, I imagine. Like right here, I think. Yeah. So, yeah. Let's go ahead and get some tighter shots from here on up. So with this tighter close-up, you can see many more details. The two fingers, the hilt, the robe itself, and as we get more to the front, the facial features are starting to emerge. Typical Hot Toys quality. Very nicely done. So now we'll get some even tighter close-ups of the face. So here he is. We'll just kind of go side to side, a little more at this angle. And you can see that scar over his right eye, down to his cheek. So nicely done. There you go. Here's one last look at Anakin Skywalker as he grows closer and closer to becoming Darth Vader. I hope you've liked what you've seen. If you have, consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. In the meantime, everyone, please have a great day.